Ready? Say hi, Caleb. Hi. And can you say hi, Mama?
Hi.
Say hi, camera.
Hi.
No, over here. Say hi, camera.
Hi.
Can you play peekaboo with Mommy?
Cool.
Like this. Where's Caleb? Where's Caleb? Hi. Ready? One more time. Oh, you need a drink?
More.
You need more juice? Say daddy. Say it. Say daddy.
Daddy.
Say, I need juice, please. Caleb, can you say please? Good boy. Where's Caleb? Where's Caleb? Where's Caleb? Oh, you have hair. You have hair. Hair. Oh, here, give Daddy your cup. Wait, you have juice in here. Come back over here.
Is it full?
Yeah. Come here.
Just got him juice before I left.
Sorry. Buddy, come over here. Okay. Come here, please. What do you have? Oh, did you cook me food?
Yeah.
Alright, come over here, please. What did you make? What'd you make? What did you make? What is that? Oh, it's food? Want me to try it? Let me try it. Ready? Oh, it's delicious. Thank you. You eat it. Is it yummy? Tell Daddy that I make good food.
Yeah.
Ew, don't actually eat it. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Okay, can you wave bye-bye? Say bye, camera. Say bye, camera.
Bye.